G'day guys, it's Entrepreneur and Crane Trucks. Just doing a quick vlog of I've had some fuel problems or loss of power problems, and decided to change the filter. So that's the old filter there. You can throw a truck, so it's quite big. And there's like, I don't know, bits of feather and crap in there. Oh wow, that was really due for one. So that's the old filter, and here's the new filter. How good's that? So I'm gonna put that in, and hopefully the truck runs a bit better. Okay, it's made in Germany, and here it is, the filter box. Here's my truck, and I'll just the filters underneath there, as you can see. And if you got an old truck that doesn't want to start, just try and see that. I don't know if you can see the glass, but there's a little pump there. So just prime it and make sure that's not all blocked up with crud. So there you go, guys. There's the gold girl. Doing a bit of maintenance, and just a quick video. I've got the oil filter there, that's next, and I'm going to change this filter. Alright, here we go. So I used the 17mm spanner, and it's quite good. That's where it goes there. It's quite heavy, so you got to make sure this is, it's a tight seal. And they're gonna put this on. Oh yuck! There's lots of crud here, guys. And gonna do the change. Here we go. Nice and tight. Let's see how it runs. Should be running a bit better now. Cost me about I don't know, I found it pretty expensive. It was about 150, and I was going, wow, that's pretty pricey, but just needs to be done. And I was at the truck shop, and yeah, I paid mechanics to do this, and you know, that's why it's always better just to try to do what you can on your own. And that way you save a bit of money. You know it's getting done right. Rightio. Let's see what else is going on. Anyways, looks like I got a couple of leaks, and there we go. She's on. All right.